My name's Colleen Deane and I'm a lecturer in muscle cell biology at the University of Southampton within the Faculty of Medicine. And my research is really trying to understand why you lose muscle mass, so particularly as you get older. What inspired me to study and work in physiology? So this really goes back to when I was at school. So I was very interested in sports and engaging in exercise, but I also really loved biology as a lesson. So I was really interested in understanding how the body works and also how it can respond and adapt to certain situations. What inspired me to join the Physiological Society? So this was actually a mentor of mine. So when I first started my PhD, my supervisor at the time, Dr Tim Etheridge, who's at the University of Exeter, suggested that I should join the Physiological Society because of the numerous benefits that it offers. So what I enjoy most about physiology, being honest, is actually engaging with my research participants. So a lot of what I do is running clinical trials or human physiology trials to understand how an intervention may influence muscle health. What's been the most exciting part of my career to date? So this is certainly being involved in the first UK-led experiment to the International Space Station. So this was called the Molecular Muscle Experiment. So the Society's benefited my career in so many ways. One of these is through travel grants. I was also involved in the spaceflight animation related to how your body adapts to being in space. The biggest challenge for me working in physiology, I think, certainly relates to funding. So it's very hard out there to get the funding for what you want to do and the research that you need to do to answer your questions. However, the Physiological Society are great for offering fellowships for early career researchers like myself to try and springboard their career and help establish their independent lab. Physiology is really important as a career and as a future because physiology underpins all of life. How do I feel physiology and my area of research has an impact on the world? Skeletal muscle accounts for about 50% of our body weight, and it's really critical for things like moving and also for our metabolism. So it's really important that we maintain a healthy muscle mass across the life course. And muscle weakness actually costs £2.5 billion every single year in the UK alone. What would I say to others about thinking about joining the Physiological Society? So for me, being part of the Physiological Society has benefited my career in so many ways, through travel grants, through networking, through attending conferences, but the Society also offer things like opportunities to get involved in policy, and all of these things are really critical to having a really successful career in physiology. So for anyone looking to join the Society, I say do it.